3 strange facts about parrots. Wild parrots have regional dialects. Flocks in different areas develop distinct calls, and juveniles adopt the local accent when joining a new group. The Kia, New Zealand's alpine parrot, actively dismantles cars, stripping rubber window seals and windshield wipers off vehicles in tourist parking lots. Parrots have no vocal cords. Every word they mimic is produced by a syrinx, a completely different organ sculpted using their thick, muscular tongue. Which fact blew your mind the most? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more strange facts like this. That's your fact snacks.